This is the first time eating at Ranas here. Is me and Deidre?
No. No,
What?
no.
Oh. The first time I've ever eaten at Ranas. Never been here before, guys. The prices are pretty good. I'm thinking about getting nachos, but I don't know. They're kind of like a lot of grease. What is chicharron? That sounds nasty.
That's pig.
Oh, that's gross. They don't have a lot of selection here. Fiesta bowl, like I don't know, man.
It is just snacks.
Yeah, it is snacks. They have hot dogs. What?
Ooh, they have rice pudding.
Oh, I love rice pudding.
Dude, let's just get that, and then I want to get a fruit cup. The fruit cups are like
How much is the rice pudding?
$2.25.
And anything else fruit cup, like a small
It's
one?
another $2.95.
Oh, okay. And I'll just get nachos then with chili.
No, put the chili on the side, then I can have to eat it.
No, I don't want to. Yeah.
Dude, I want to eat some nachos.
All right.
Plus, remember they give you more.
All right. Well, how much is that total? So with chili.
Are you getting a rice cup too?
No, I want a hot dog.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's $1.75 for a hot
Mine's
dog.
exactly a little under $5.25.
And mine, what if I get like a chili and a hot dog? How much is that? That's $7. Oh, that's too much with tax, right?
5. The nachos. If you get a hot dog regular, but no, that's not healthy. We'll go somewhere else too.
No, we can't. I'll just get one. Hello, I'm sorry. What did you say? I think they speak English.
One arroz con leche.
Can I have una arroz con leche? I think she said she'll be right with me in a moment. I think, because there's a crowd of people in the front. But yeah, this is not really a lot of choices. What if I just get a sandwich?
Should we try another?
They have tamales, dude.
Yeah, but they don't have beans.
Dude, we should go somewhere else, though. No?
Yeah.
This is like a horrible choice of selection.
It's just too.
I'm sorry. Can I get a 4 for $4?
You want with a junior bacon?
Yeah, what a junior bacon.
For junior bacon, what kind of sauce you want for your nuggets?
Can I have honey mustard? Power Mediterranean without chicken.
You say Mediterranean chicken salad, no chicken, right?
Yeah.
Right, no chicken. Or can I have the chicken on the side? I'll eat it.
Excuse me?
I can have the chicken on the side if you don't mind.
Chicken on the side. You want with a full size or the half size?
How big is the half?
How big is a half?
Really, for one person is good. The full size, the half size.
How much is the full size?
Full size is $6.49.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Okay, that complete the order, sweetheart.
Yeah.
11:36. Thank you.
Thank you. That's like just